Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Pixie Haircuts. How are you my dear subscriber and my dear viewers? I hope all of you fine and happy. May God fulfill your life with happiness and prosperity. So my dear friends, today's video topic is all about layered hairstyles for women. So friends, layered hairstyles for women are our style and popular choice that can be customized to suit different face shapes, hair types. Layered haircuts involve cutting the hair at different lengths to create texture, movement, and volume. Some popular layered hairstyles for women include long layered haircuts. These haircuts feature longer layers around the face and crown of the head with shorter layers around the ends to create movement and texture. Short layered haircuts. These haircuts feature shorter layers around the crown of the head and sides, with longer layers around the top to create height and volume. Layered bob haircuts. These haircuts feature a classic bob shape with layered ends to create movement and volume. Layered shag haircuts. These haircuts feature choppy layers and a textured tussle look that's perfect for a casual bohemian style. Layered curly haircuts. These haircuts feature layers that are cut to enhance natural curls and create volume and texture. So friends, layered hairstyles can be styled in a variety of ways, including straight and sleek, wavy and tousled, or with loose curls. They can be customized with bangs, fringe, or highlights to create a unique and personalized look that suits your personal style. It's important to work with a skilled stylist who can help you choose the right layered haircut for your face shape and hair type, and who can provide tips and advice on how to style and maintain your new look. So friends, if you have something to say, just drop us a comment. Pixie Bob Haircuts is the ultimate destination for hairstyling information, empowering women one hairstyle at a time. Our channel is all about hair. If you are looking for the latest hairstyle trends, then this is the place to be. From short hairstyle to messy ones and everything in between, we have got you covered. So sit back, relax, and let us help you find the perfect tool for your next big events. Like and share our video, and if you have something to say, just drop us a comment. Thank you for watching our videos, for subscribing, and for your comments.